People often ask us, what makes your flight optimization different? We can say that it saves 5% of the fuel for the climb. We can also say that it's state-of-the-art technologies that we are leveraging, but these are not the real answers. The real answer is the team behind the scene, until of course LLM replaces us all. So basically we have 3 teams involved in the process. The AI team, first, the infrastructure team, and then the operations team. That is linking the AI with the infrastructure, making sure that the operation is tailored to each airline needs. So first, you need someone to compose the music. This is the role of the AI team, writing the score that captures the essence of what we want to achieve. So then you need the instruments, and this is the role of the infrastructure team, making sure that musicians have everything to perform. Finally, you need a conductor. This is the operations team, making sure the orchestra plays in harmony.
So my name is Quentin. I'm part of the platform operations team. I'm the manager. When I joined SITA, I was part of the team and I did grow up as a people manager to the manager position of the team. And then prior to that, I was part of another company where I started to be a DevOps on the flight optimization. And then prior to that, I did an engineering degree in IT and electronics. So being part of the platform operations team, we are working with most of the technical teams in SITA. And the most demanding one is the AI team, because they have huge needs in terms of data storage and computation power. To be able to handle the workflows and the data, the amount of data that is constantly growing, we have to scale our infrastructure, but we also have to optimize the workflow to be able to handle them, to not slow down the work of the various teams that are working on it. Then, whenever there is a new need from the data intelligence team, or AI, then we are going to brainstorm together, because they know what they want and we know what we can do or what we can achieve. So we are going to work together to have a common view and to be able to deliver something together. Okay, so as I said before, the main need on the flight optimization is the constant data flow that we are receiving. So 24/7, because airlines are all over the world. We are getting some changes out of this, mainly in terms of storage and in terms of processing and bandwidth, because we need to avoid running out of space or out of bandwidth in terms of network. Otherwise, we would have cut in our data flow. The part that I enjoy in my work is that we need constant adaptation, because the IT is constantly evolving, needs are constantly evolving, and those are creating quite a lot of changes, but it's interesting, and this is what drives me on the day-to-day work.
Hello, I'm Álvaro. I'm part of the operations teams. Like me, my colleagues, we are all aerospace engineers, and we have all experience in data and airline operations. Our day consists of 2 main things. The first one is leading the technical implementation of the product, or how we call it, the delivery, from the very first kickoff meeting until the go live, and then the maintenance of the solution, which is basically updating the models, adapting the models, and from time to time solving some unexpected challenges. Our main tasks include setting up live data streams, adapting the AI models to fit airline operations, and guaranteeing safety and airworthiness. To do all of this, we basically use data analysis, live monitoring, or the aircraft performance tools. But to have a successful implementation, we need our most important stakeholders, the airlines. So for that, we also handle all the communications with the airline. That goes from pilot webinars to savings presentation to deep dives. What I absolutely love about my job is that I can combine both data and aviation, the 2 pillars in my professional journey, but doing so while being able to meet with colleagues from within the sector, so meeting up with pilots and hearing about their feedback, doing or developing statistical studies with the fuel efficiency team and learning about performance with the flight ops engineers, and of course, doing our part to make aviation more sustainable. So, to sum up, safety, data, airline operations, and communication. This is what we do in the operations team.
Hello, my name is Yacine, so I'm the technical lead on the climb optimization. I joined SITA in 2021 as part of the data science team, right after finishing my aeronautical degree, and now I'm leading the team of 5 engineers to work on climb optimization. So, in order to optimize our flight, we are based on a digital twin approach. This means we are using machine learning model to predict the flight dynamics. This allows us to simulate the behavior of each aircraft for each flight. So ensuring the data is as accurate as possible is the heart of my job, and it is composed of 2 different aspects. The first one is data processing, where we'll make sure that the data is as clean as possible. The second one is data augmentation, or feature engineering, where we will merge different signals together for the model. So with the prediction model, we are able to simulate thousands of different climb scenarios and select the most efficient one. Before we send the recommendation, we'll make sure to validate it, ensuring that it respects all the operational conditions for the flights to be safely operated by the pilot. So what I like best about the job is the challenges that we address, making sure that we deliver real-world value and ensuring that we bring a step forward to making aviation a bit more sustainable.
So this is what makes our optimization engine different. It's built by people that master science, systems, and connect the two.